Welcome, welcome, welcome to this extra call behind the scenes of a six-figure business. I had this mystique around six-figure business when I didn't have a six-figure business, where I thought something that I haven't figured out that other people have figured out. And I didn't feel like there's a hell lot of opportunities to really get an open opportunity to get it behind the scenes. I feel like there was always this shiny front side of six figures. Everything is awesome. I got here overnight. I make lots of profit. I'm not telling anyone about what's actually really happening. And that was definitely something I am very committed to clean up with and to really make sure it gets more understood, but it also will help you to understand that it's actually no mystery. I'm actually not anything special that you are not. And it's all real people. I just want to take the emotional drama out of it a little bit. I've got two types of questions. The first part is specific questions about my current six-figure coaching business. And then the second part we're going to jump in is questions that are more coaching questions, or how did you do it when you were just starting out questions, basically that led to where I am right now, which is probably where you guys are at, or where you guys feel like, okay, this is what I'm currently figuring out. How did she do it, or what's her advice? Okay, let's start with my coaching business. Beginning of 2017, I quit my job in Australia. I also asked Andy to quit his job in Australia. I was like, okay, I want to travel. I have this business now, and I want to continue or start the real location-independent lifestyle. I've been traveling for a couple of years already, but not really with my business and with an income. So we left on a round the world trip in May 2017. And that's almost 3 years now. That's incredible. It's blowing my mind when I even think of that. I had my first 5-figure months in November 2017. So after 1 year and 2 months. And I think that's kind of helpful to know, because, you know, there's always people that tell you overnight, all you have to do is buy my course and you'll have 5-figure months. And there's also people who do believe it takes years and years and years and years. So comparison doesn't really help you. I just wanted to give you those numbers, not for you to compare, but to kind of give you a house number of what we're talking and how it really looked like, because it's very easy to see the overnight success. It usually is not an overnight success that just started yesterday, though.